I'm trying to like talk myself into. Okay, coming back. Please do not be afraid. Viewer discretion is advised. Burps or belching is coming your way. And if you don't like any of this, this will be the perfect time for you to hop out. Be like, no, no, this is not my thing. No, 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 no. Okay? Okay. Having said that, let's hit it. Wow. There you go. I need to start getting my favorite flavors instead of leaving my mom buy the ones that she likes, and she's like, oh, but they're good because they're for digestion. No, I don't want for digestion. I just want it to taste good. Okay? Bottoms up. Ooh. Yeah, you saw my face. Terrible. Wait, sorry. Sorry. Let's try again. Oh my god, I hate the flavor. I hate it. Oh, okay. There's another one coming. Aquí viene otro. Sorry. Okay, excuse me. I'm trying to decipher what am I tasting. I have the entire can. Tengo la lata completa. Todavía. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. It went to my nose. Okay, wait. Oh. I feel it on my chest, like right here. Lo siento como que al principio del pecho aquí. Nope, it's not working. We ready? ¿Estamos listos? Estamos listos para el final. Es que tengo el estómago vacío. Si tuviera comida, esto no pasara, ¿ok? Tengo hambre. Es todo. I'm just hungry. That's it. I have an empty stomach. That's all there is. I mean, wait. Okay. Okay. Things are getting a little bit more difficult. Okay. Wait. Yep. Yep. That happened. Mm-hmm. Sip, sip. Seguimos. Hey, here we go again. Oh, wow. That's a lot of bubbly. Mucha burbuja, mucha burbuja. And you'll be dancing on the disco and be like, woo. And then you bum yourself. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. The end. Okay. Oh. 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 Hello, Steiner. How are you, babe? Oh my god. Wait. I think I finished it. Okay, this was not a beer. So it's all good. Lo terminé. Finish. Now you get up with me, and I finished getting my gas out. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Okay, wait. Oh my god, I feel it on the end of my stomach. They better come out. They better come out right now. Okay, wait. I'm so mad right now. Okay, wait. Nope, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Y luego esa mujer, esa malvada, empezó a eructar en tu cara y tú dijiste, ¿qué está pasando? ¿Qué es lo que está ocurriendo? Ok. Ok. Para las personas que son nuevas, que me han visto eructar por primera vez, lo siento mucho. Son cosas que pasan, ¿ok? Pues sí, espero que lo tomen como debe de ser, como un chiste. Tengo mucha hambre, tengo el estómago vacío y es lo que me ayuda a sacar el gas. So, let me see. Nope, it's not working. Okay. Do think I need to eat some. Sí, creo que tengo que comer algo. Okay. That's better. Mucho mejor. Bien. Okay. So, I guess it's, yeah, a little bit there. Yeah. It's gonna be cold. I don't want to, but I will. Ooh, it is cold. Woo! I hate it. Oh my god, thank god it's just my legs. This is so cold. Oh my god. What am I doing? It's almost winter. Why am I doing this? Call the ambulance! Oh my god. Thank god. Thank god I didn't put more than 3 buckets in it. I want my mom. Okay. Don't panic. Just sit on it and it will pass. I will die broke. Okay, wait. Help. Okay, so I decided just now that I will die broke. It's gonna be okay. cry on the inside. Oh, oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I will never do this again. Oh, 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 unless it's summertime. Hey, 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 hey. Having fun in the summertime. Okay, now that everybody has had time to gather themselves and make fun of me and be awesome, I'm gonna get my phone to try to see. Okay, 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 okay. Don't think about it, don't think about it. Oh. My chat is not even showing. This is not fun. Define good because I already show you 10 types of ugly faces. Okay, 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 okay. Please call my mom. This is so. I want to get out. I give up. Woo. Okay, okay. I am sitting in water. I'm probably gonna get pneumonia. Okay, so I have some brown rice with broccoli and cauliflower. No, that's not cauliflower. Broccoli, shrimp, and a bunch of veggies. So I'm gonna start eating and then do some of the burpings. Okay. That is very Halloween. Very, very, very Halloween. Okay. So I think we're good. Okay. It's actually really good. I'm supposed to eat more vegetables. Who wants to hear, you have to eat more veggies? If not, you might die. Nobody. Oh my god, that song actually reminds me of clowns. And by the way, I hate clowns. Something like laid back. Let's do that. Hmm. This is actually really good. I might just have to remove my shoes for a minute, just because I'm sliding too much, and this stability ball. So yeah. This is one thing with me. The hungrier I get, the faster I eat. Sometimes I don't even look back. My family is like, there is no polite conversation at the table. Everybody's starving. What were you expecting? This was small either way. Okay. Almost done. Oh, done. I'm definitely gonna need more food after that. Anyway. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. That was barely enough food for me to do a dent. But let's see. Okay. I also have some Pringles in there that I got last night. So, no way. Let me move myself to the side. I'll keep drinking liquids, and then my stomach is gonna feel like I ate more than what it actually did. Okay. Don't arch your back. Straight. Back straight. Okay. If I offended you, I am so sorry. I went out of my way to actually get another category. I just really didn't know where I should put it because I am so relatively new into the streaming. I have done exercising, so in fitness. I have done some cooking. I have done some gaming, Mortal Kombat, some pool stream without water yet. I have never been to ASMR, so I don't have the fancy ears and I am not licking anything, but I am making sounds, so I didn't want it to insult people or be all weird and just come out into just chatting and be like, yeah, now let's go down to burping. I try not to do that there unless I am being asked. I am actually gonna try to move this. There. Okay. Wait. Wait, wait. drink a little bit more, put some music, and then eat a little bit more, and it was probably gonna get better. I put some of my sparkling water here, and it is safe to say that it's weird. It's weird because the story with these cups in America is like when you have it on you, it's about to go potty. This will go potty down. So okay. I also got these chips last night. Love them. Um, I'm not gonna lie. I miss the ones that they were whole wheat from that brand. That makes whole wheat chips. Oh my god, I forgot the name. Anyway, they were sweet potato with brown sugar. They are discontinued. They broke my heart. This is the ones that I'm eating now. Harvest blends from Pringles blended with sweet potato and sea salt. And let me tell you, it's not the same. But you do what you gotta do. Mm. Yeah, I count them. I count them because if not, I will eat them so fast and I will not have any more chips. I only got the one container because I'm a sucker. So I count them. All in the name of burping. I have decided because I'm so small and I get no views here. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna cut it into pieces and put it out there in the universe. Mm. Technically, I can lick this potato in here and probably not get banned. Probably. Mm. Like I was saying to someone or no one out there, I could lick this and I will probably not be banned tomorrow. Yeah. What I don't like is the sea salt. Pringles, if you're out there, if you ever listen to any of your fans, any of your consumer, bring sweet potato chips with brown sugar, please. I will buy them all. I will get obese on it. I will trip and buy for my entire family and forsaken all types of other foods and just get them. Okay. This test has been awesome. I had some food. I had some chips. I got two burps out. I'm probably gonna try in another category to see if I can get any questions. Ooh. Oh, hello. I'm at 50 Pro. Actually, I was eating some food and I was burping. But because I wanted to be politically correct, I didn't know where to do it. Because some people sometimes ask me to burp on the stream, but some others don't like it. So I get backlash on it, and it's like, where did I do it? Where? Because I don't have an ear to lick, and I just lick a piece of potato, Pringles, to burp. Excuse me. I don't know what that means. That means that it's terrible content. Remember, I'm from South America. I don't know what you mean. I also got this fake dress to wish you happy Halloween. I did not buy it. I kind of mixed it together. And I look like a trampy cocktail waitress. But you know, I'm wearing clothes. Like, I am literally wearing more clothes than the rest of the people is on the internet. But, it is what it is. So how are you? How is your night going? And thank you so much for chatting for the first time. Wait. I'm gonna position myself into a different view, and maybe it will come out faster. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's safe to say that that's going into my social media. And because, yeah, that's good enough. I'm not showing anything. I'm gonna try to burp from here to there. Okay, let's see. Not bad. Now, okay, this is stuff that I've been trying to record to put out there. Because there's a lot of people that loves burping. There is more people, double that loves farting or hiccups. But I have this problem where if I eat, I don't like to have hiccups. Because then I can't get rid of it and it gives me a small anxiety attack. And farting, I cannot do that on command. So how do people does it? I don't know. I just know that I'm not one of them. So okay, let's see. I'm trying to get my my stomach to relax. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Excuse me. Anyway. Okay. Okay, you see, if I don't get this gas right now, it's gonna be a big problem when I go to sleep, okay? I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be like, no. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. So, it's not helping with my balancing either. Okay, there you go. I apologize in advance. I did. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Not ladylike. Okay, wait. Nope. Damn. Escape. Okay, wait. I knew I had it in me. Okay, what are you saying? had a blast tonight, except for that whole situation that I'm going to um I am going to take care of just now. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Um, Please, if you haven't followed on my other social media, try to follow me there. This forever is gonna be the pool challenge. So I'm literally gonna change the name into it right now. Thank you so much for watching, for staying with me, for talking to me. If you guys have no more other questions, I am about to disconnect for tonight. And then I will come back to do the whole stuff streams from all ladies, like puzzles and things like that. Thank you for everyone that actually talked to me, that reached out, that asked me questions and interacted in the chat. It was awesome. Chris and Toby, new chatters, Nick Sam, Patif XN, and a lot of other people. I always enjoy new feedback. That's awesome. And you know what? I am actually glad that you got to stay and you laugh about me, because that is all about. Like, I want you to have fun. I want you to see how silly and stupid I act sometimes. And I'm just another normal person like you. I'm just putting it on camera. That's pretty much it. With taco music. As soon as I figure this out, I'm probably gonna get all the weight in with with another bikini. So thank you so much. Have a good night. Please be safe. Always. Always. Be grateful for a new day. I really hope that you take care of yourselves. And most importantly, stay blessed. Be grateful for what you have and for a new start.